For sale today is the Leblond Makino lathe. It's 15 by 54, has a D1-6 spindle, little over 2-inch spindle bore. This machine features inch and metric threading, servo shift. It has reversible feed direction on the carriage, so you don't have to stop the spindle. We've got a dial for the lead screw. We'll run the spindle here for you. That's 1282 RPMs. These machines shift through all the gears like they should. It's all been tested, feeds and speeds. This machine's just been serviced. It has all the feed oils changed. The cross slide, the compound has all been taken apart. Real good condition. You can still see the scrape marks on all the slideways. Change a couple more gears here. All the feeds work like they should. There's about, I don't know, 5-7 thousandths backlash in the compound and the cross feed. And change directions. Also have, you can adjust the speed and the brake forward and reverse on the carriage. If you have any more questions about this Leblond Makino or any other machine tools, you can give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.